A great horned owl tunes into the sky. A great horned owl tunes into the scrabbles of the vole. Muffled under 30 centimeters of ears are slightly offset in their position on his skull, which gives him an extraordinary ability to pinpoint sound. By moving his head until the sound is the same in each ear, he zeroes in on the source. It's worth a shot. Silently, he swoops in for the kill, the sound of his flight absorbed by special fringed feathers on his wings. This time, winter's cover shields the vole. This time, winter's cover shields the vole.